Hello, I am Pratiksha with IBM QRadar team, and in this video we will explore SSH connectivity to manage host fail due to mismatching SSH keys. When you are trying to establish an SSH connection to the managed host, it fails with the errors offending ECDSA key in known host file, host key verification failed. There are different reasons behind this issue, like the managed host was removed from the deployment and now it is getting re-added. You have done the hardware migration of the managed host. Changes were done in SSH keys of managed host which console is not known of. Let's see how to resolve this issue. First, take the SSH to console as a root user. Now, when you are trying to take SSH to manage host, it throws an error, offending ECDSA key in /root/.ssh/known hosts file. Here, we don't recommend to edit the known host file on console manually. Instead, use SSH keygen command with -R option. Run the command on console, that is SSH-keygen-R and the managed host IP. It will remove the SSH keys associated with the remote host from known host file. As you can see, the offending key was present in known host file on line number 18 and the same has been removed and updated. As the SSH keys is updated, direct SSH to the managed host would not work. It will throw no ECDSA host key is known error. Thus, after updating SSH keys in known host file, you will need to use option -O strict host key checking is equal to no to SSH to the managed host for the first time, so that the managed host ECDSA key is added in console's known host file permanently. From now on, the SSH connection to the managed host would be successful. Thank you for joining us. If you need more assistance, use the links in the description.